Whoa! Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Go.
I'm not actually telling her to do this. This is half.
Walk! Jeez! Nice one. Try again. See what she does.
One, two. Oh shit!
Woo! Oh my god!
I jumped up.
She can't wait for what I can give. She knows what I am, but she won't believe me. Is it all okay? Will I come off the like this? I can't believe it. It's always like this, 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 like this. Kept it at bay, yes, you kept your word. Is there